little dash cam video, it's probably going to fall over because the suction cups aren't sucking. Yeah. Nope, that's El Michelle touching it. No, it's good there. They just don't suck on here. But yeah, this is like our drive for like the last couple of hours. I probably might not even load this, but it's just funny because I'm watching the road, all right? Watching the road just be bumps, yeah. It's not the worst that we've had, but yeah, this is how it's going. I'm hands-free. Like do a nice 10 miles an hour, maybe 12 if we're feeling froggy. Listening to Zumba music that El Michelle's got going, which makes me want to go even faster. Especially like when the music has the same beat as the road, when it goes dump, 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 dump. You know, I'm thumping. So yeah, this is a drive in Marinette County. I know, like I tell you guys, sometimes the drive's rough, rocky, and especially the one to Strong Falls, it's like 10 times worse than this, and it's 8 miles long. I don't even know how many miles we got to. Oh, I see a stop sign. I think the end is near. Whoo-wee! This ain't even the worst we've had yet. But yeah, this is what we do to get to these waterfalls.